Okay guys, check it out what's behind me. Yes, a 1964 Shasta 20 movie star trailer. Yeah, we're gonna do it now. So if you're a regular viewer, thank you. You know that you're getting fun, informative, crazy sometimes video on here, but all RV related and very informative. So if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button right over there, or over there, or over there, somewhere around here. We're not sure. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and you'll get a ringy dingy on a regular basis. And hey, you know, we're on Instagram. I can't wait to check out this trailer. It's bad. The movie star trailer. Now here's Ethan again.
Hey.
Everyone's jealous of Ethan. Okay, Ethan, what do you got, man?
This is a really cool one. This is a 1964 Shasta 20.
Oh man, the movie star trailer.
This is something like you'd see in the movie Once Upon a Time in Hollywood that just came out.
And we're gonna find out why here in just a second. So start in the front, man. What do you got there?
So this is a 20 by 8. That's what makes it special. 20 long, 8 wide. Normally they were 19 long, 7 wide. This is why we salvaged this when we pulled it out of a yard in St. Louis, Missouri, and the guy said I was crazy when I pulled it out. I said it has to be saved. This is a rare trailer and it has to be saved.
I love that. Tell me about the windows. They're really cool. They're like louvered windows.
Jealousy windows, what they call these.
What are they called?
Jealousy windows.
Jealousy.
Yep, they come out and they go in.
Why is that jealousy?
I don't really know. It's a good question.
We'll have to do some research on the jealousy windows. And look at, and is this restoration complete?
This made a complete restoration. We took it down. Had a lot of frame damage. You just walked in, it had no floor basically in it. You can see through the ceiling. I've got some pictures we'll upload and let you guys see what it once was. And you can see what it is now. Dude,
I love that. And man, look how pristine these propane bottles are. All the way, man. American RV Restoration, they are period, bro. I mean, period. That's what
painstakingly.
Yeah, that's what we love about you, man. All right, let's check out the rest of it. All right, so check it out. Look at this Shasta trailers. Looks like, what do they call this aluminum?
That's like it's old school diamond plate, basically.
Old school diamond plate. Man, look at this bad boy. I guess that's storage.
Oh yeah.
Man.
Lots of storage in this thing. It's huge.
Sliding windows, and of course the iconic
Shasta wings.
Shasta wing, man. Let's look at the back of this thing, man. Uh-oh, what do we got over there?
A little VW bus we're getting ready to get on.
All right, Ethan, tell us about the back of this thing, man. Okay,
so you can see the width. This is 8 foot wide, which is really unique, and you can tell the difference when you're inside. You can walk by somebody in the hallway without rubbing up against them, but that really makes a difference in this thing. We've got fresh holding tanks, we got a brand new spare tire, brand new carrier, brand new jacks, a lot of state-of-the-art stuff in this that wasn't around in 1964.
But you can't tell it's in there.
We try to hide it as best we can. Patsy Ruth is my wife's grandmother. We did this trailer in honor of her. You'll see some pictures of her on the inside because she was around in this period, so she fits in real well with it.
All right, let's go check this thing out.
So that would have been your freshwater holding tank for you to drink water when you're out and you're boondocking where they don't have water. So it has a battery in this camper, has the freshwater holding tank with a pump to pump it to the faucets. This would have been a self-contained camper you could take with a propane heater, propane hot water, all that kind of thing back in the day for 64. Very, very revolutionary.
Tell me about this, Ethan. This is
That's the original water heater on there, so that would have heated up your water so you could have hot water for your dishes, hot water for your showers, all propane on that. So that was a pretty cool deal back in the day to have, you know, self-contained hot water when you're out boondocking.
Okay, Ethan, I gave my viewers a sneak peek of a pink one.
Yep, you did.
But here it is now, and you're restoring it. It'll be delivered on the 30th.
Correct.
And it's a Del Rey.
Yep.
So, guys, sneak peek here because I will be back to tour this one. So keep watching for that video. Okay, Ethan, here we are, man.
So some of the features of this trailer, which is really cool, a 4-burner stove. Normally you have a 2 or 3 burner at the most. This one has a 4-burner stove. This is actually the original stove. We just had it repowder coated. So that's really cool. You can cook some cakes in that, fry up some bacon, do some omelets, whatever you want to do. Another cool thing on this, which is hidden right now, double sinks.
So that's pretty rare for this.
Hot and cold water so you can wash your dishes back in the day.
I love this.
I mean, we even went to the very, very high extent of driving back up almost to Canada to buy another one of these trailers that was a parts trailer, drug it down here just to get the light sconce in the back window in this thing. That's how period relic we are. We wanted to make sure that it matched. So it looked like when you walked in 1964.
So awesome.
This is the only one that we know of in existence that has the top bunk also, which was an option. So they actually cut a hole out for a window there. A dealer would have installed that option for the top bunk, which is really cool. And these things had a lot of really neat options for 1964. The table is one of the really cool options in this. You can literally fit 6 grown adults on this table, which is a really great thing. Storage space right behind it, where you see all those pictures over there of Patsy Ruth, who's named after, and her husband in Hawaii. This is a Hawaiian themed trailer, as you can see, by the curtains and everything else.
Oh man.
But the wood, we love the wood. We love to salvage any of this we can. You know, it had some paint in here. We did what we could to sand that down. We replaced a lot of the wood that was rotten in here, but we kept the wood. The wood, it's warm. You know what I'm saying?
It's just so, yeah, it just makes the trailer. And so then we're moving on into there's more storage right there.
So this used to be a heater. In Texas, you don't really need a heater. So we took that out and we made this all storage, basically.
Right. Yes.
Refrigerator. So the refrigerator in here was all propane. We put in a electric fridge and I retrofitted it to actually make it look vintage, but this is a brand new fridge.
Nice.
Above that, of course, we didn't have this in 64, but a microwave. If you look next to that, XM satellite radio, which of course they didn't have back in 1964, but we like to listen to 60s on 6, so Cousin Brucey singing it out loud.
Nice.
And the big kicker is the AC. Of course, they didn't have AC back in 64 in these travel trailers, but we do now. And heat. That's AC and heat unit, so it cools it down.
Oh, that's great. All right, so let's move on the back. So this kitchen, it's great. It has the curtains in it and the wood, like you said, and it has all this storage down here.
Tons of storage.
I mean, that's amazing.
How about a 10-gallon hot water heater? A 10-gallon hot water heater, so the wife can take a shower, I can take a shower, you can take a shower, we'd still have hot water.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
10 gallons.
This is for your suits and your dresses. This is what you would have back in the day. You know, you would have your dress, you know what I'm saying, or your leisure wear. This is where all the electrical went in there. So that's your closet. And then the back, see if you can sneak in there and get a view. This is why we really wanted to bring this back, because this actually has a full shower, full toilet, and full sink in a 20-foot trailer.
20 foot. Look at this bathroom. Full toilet. Full sink. And got a fan.
Got a fantastic fan. Of course, that wasn't around in 64, but we updated some LED lighting in there, you'll see.
Look at that beautiful curve in there in that bathroom. Oh, man, they don't make them like this anymore.
So we got TV with built-in DVD. We can run XM satellite. We can run cable if we want to. It's all hooked up for different things. Even left the old thermostat back from 64 in there just for looks. I thought that was cool.
That is cool.
But this was a couch bed, so this will turn into a couch or make out into a bed. We leave it into a bed. It's a lot easier to access. You got tons of storage up here.
And again, the curved wood comes on up.
Oh, man.
And the cool shelf of that curve in there. And look at all that storage.
Tons of storage. Tons of storage.
Oh my gosh, just amazing.
Did you get the wine rack down there?
Oh.
Custom wine rack.
So you've got yourself a custom wine rack here.
Little winery down there.
Nice.
This was actually the second trailer we bought.
This bedroom is huge.
It is. That's an 8 foot
really
wide.
big.
That even has the bathroom in it too, so think about that.
Man, it's got the little storage nook here with the little cabinets. I love this. Okay, so Ethan, you're telling us this is the movie star trailer because back in the day, the movie star stayed in this trailer because they wanted it wider.
Correct.
So it was custom made.
Custom. So this is
Yes.
a 20 by 8. The average one back in the day was a 19 by 7, meaning 19 long and 7 wide. But as you can see, the spaciousness we have in here, 2 people can walk by each other in this trailer because it's 8 foot wide. That was one of the big things. And you have full amenities. You have a stove. You've got a double sink for washing dishes. You've got a clothes closet. You've got a shower. You've got a toilet. You've got a sink. I mean, you've got everything you need to live in this. You know what I'm saying? So this would be something you would have seen in Hollywood.
So you know it was a star trailer because they had it specially made. And then everybody else, not the stars, had a smaller trailer.
Correct. A lot of the average families, they couldn't afford a trailer like this. This would have been the top of the top.
Oh my gosh, I love this. You are a magician, sir. You are a magician. Thank you so much, man.
Thanks for you guys coming out taking a look at
I mean, man, you restoring these are what makes it. I mean, we would never see this without people like you restoring them, man.
We got many more coming out after this, let me tell you.
And you said this is like number 58 of this style.
Well, this is number 58 that we've done. You know what I'm saying? This is the second one we ever bought. You know what I'm saying? So this is a special one to us. We've held on to this for a long time.
I love that. Ethan, okay, we'll be back to visit, brother.
All right, we'll see you next time.
All right, bud. I hope you enjoyed getting to know this trailer as much as me, man. The history of this trailer, the restoration of this trailer, man. Ethan is amazing. And again, we have delivered fun, informative RV videos on a regular basis. So hit that subscription button, like I said, somewhere. It's over here, somewhere over there. And hit us up on Instagram, and you will be getting these videos on a regular basis. And until the next video, check ya. Here's Wilbur. This is Ethan's pet pig. Anybody know why it's Wilbur? Leave the comments below. Hi, Wilbur. Hey, Wilbur.